One of them is that share share is issued below the market price. That is the fact. Secondly, to calculate either with condition or no condition, I must calculate bonus factor. And we said bonus factor is market price per share all over what? Theoretical as right price. We said another name for market price per share is home price. That's what we have said. So let's we have taken one question, authentic. Let me take another question on it. Go to Juju Limited. Juju Limited. We go to question Juju Limited. What does it say we should do on Juju Limited? He asked me to calculate requirement required.
Which number is that, please?
Underwrite issue, question 3. Underwrite issue, question 3. Limited. Okay. The question just asked me to calculate earnings per share for each of the following, for each of these years. 31st December 2013, 2014, and 2015. Although there's right issue, but it does not ask me to restate. So I'll go to what is the requirement of the question and then okay. Also, the name of the company, we have Juju. Then earnings per share of 2013, earnings per share of 2014. Then we also have earnings per share of 2015. Earnings per share 2015. So that is the requirement. What do I do in exam? I'll just, okay. I will now check the table. We have date. After the date, we have details. After the details, we have numbers of shares. Total shares. We have the time bonus factor. And the time factor. Then with that, we have weighted average shares. This is what we have. Good. I don't know the page. Somebody can help us tell us the page. Somebody, this thing is closer to this piece. Wow. Okay.
Page 2.
Now, I will read. The following information was related to Juju Limited. Net profit after tax. Oh, I need net profit after tax. What is for each of the year? He has given net profit after tax. So for 2013, 2014, and 2015, what is the profit in 2013? He said it is 30 million. So I need to divide it by the weighted average. Then here is 38 million. Then here is 45 million. Good. That is settled. Now said, on February 2014, a right issue of money shares for each of the 5 shares outstanding made at exercise price of 5 naira. Before the right issue, the number of shares outstanding was 5 million. Good. Before the right issue. That means as at the beginning of the year, 1st January 2014, opening balance, we have 5 million shares. Total will be 5 million. This is it. Therefore, I can decide 2030 earnings per share. I'll just say, okay, this one divided by 5 million. Because the closing balance of 2013, this one will give me 600 kobo. The closing balance of 2013 will be the opening balance of 2014. So what they close with 5 million. So based on the requirements, earnings per share of 2013 is gotten already, which is 600 kobo. Then what happened? On February 20, usually they made the right issue. Say 1st of February 2014, right issue of 1 shares for every 5. But you now come to additional information 4. Say the last day to exercise the rights. After this day, no more. Was the last day to exercise was 1st of March 2014. He declared it in February. The last day to exercise the right, just like ICANN has opened their portal for you to register. You still have a grace period. The last period after that day, they've mentioned it, which is in November. After that day, you cannot do anything again. The same thing here. The last day to exercise the right is what I will consider, not the opening day. Because after February, they can see exercise. Until 1st of March, no more. So as at 1st of March, 1st March 2014, right issue. Then the right issue, I'll go and get what is the condition for the right issue. The question has given us, say, 1 for 5 condition. 1 for 5. 1 for 5, no problem. That means the numbers of shares for the right. One over 5 times 5 million. This will give me 1 million. So I'll come 1 million is the right issue. So 1 million plus 5 million will give me 6 million. That's it. So I need to calculate the bonus factor. Don't forget the bonus factor equals to market price per shares all over theoretical extra price. I'll go to the question, what is the market price? The fair value of 1 shares immediately before the exercise was 11 naira. What is the exercise price? 5 naira. Okay, which is the right price? 11 naira is market price. So theoretical extra price, I can now calculate my theoretical extra price. Don't forget the formula. We say existing shares at market price. Then the free share at what? Right price, which is the exercise price. So if you look at the question, I can do it at individual level. Let's take at individual level. I can do at individual level. In a company, which is 145. Okay, 4 at a market price, which is, oh, is it 4 or 5? I think it's 5. 145 is what the question says, not 144. So 5 at 11 naira to give me 55. Then the one you are giving us below the market price, 1 at 5 naira. So give me 5. So this will give me 60. Why this will give me 6? So what do I do? I'll just say 60 divided by 6. That will give me 10. So 11 over 10. But I can do it at a company level, so I'll still have the same results. I can decide to take it at a company level, based on company level. $5 million shares is what we have before. 5 million at market price. What is the market price? 11 naira. In case they did not give me condition. You are giving me 1 million. All of us in the company, 1 million share at 5 naira. So this one will give me 55 million. While this one will give me what? 5 million. So this one will give me 60. While this one will give me 6 million. So what do I do? The same way. 60 million theoretical S right price goes to 60 million divided by 6 million. Wow. That will give you 10. Good. It must be given to who? Existing shareholder. So that will now give us 11 over 10 because the market price is what? 11 over 10. That's all. I'll now go to the day to get my time factor. From 1st of January to that 1st of March, that will be 2. January, February, 2 over 10, 2 over 12. Then from 1st of March to the year end, which is December, 10 over 12. I will now multiply from total. 5 million times 11 over 10 times 2 over 12. And please help me with the calculator. What do we have? What do we have? Then 6 million times 10 over 12. What do we have?
For the first one, for the opening balance is
5 million.
The opening balance is 916,667.
916,667. Why this is 5 million?
Yes, 5 million.
So to give me 5,916,667. So I can calculate earnings per share of 2014 by dividing by the weighted average of 2014, which is 59, 16667. Then for the 2015, I'll divide by the total, 6 million. That's all. That is all. Why do I decide by the 6 million? The opening balance in 2015 will be 6 million. The opening balance in 2015 will be 6 million, and did not say anything happen in 2016. Therefore, I am good to go. Any issue? So give me the figure. Give me the figure. What does it give us? $45 divided by, is it 45 or 48? 45 divided by 6 million. So no such less one.
2015, 7.5.
Minus 100. So we have 750 cover. Don't forget they are multiplied by 100. Give us the cover. Then here come
640.
640.
640.
642.
That's all. That's what the question wants us to do. Any issue? So earnings per share of 2014, 642 cover. Per year is 750. That's all. That is all.
The table we used to calculate, we created date, details, number of shares, total shares, bonus factor, then time factor, weighted average. Now, if the question is giving us both rights question and bonus again at some point in the future, right?
More than that at some point in
the
the future. More than that at some in the future. Not in the future, today. More than that today.
Okay.
That means you have not gone
you.
through. That means you have not gone through the material I sent.
Thank you.
And the day one I said we can have stock dividend. We can go to. We'll get there. We can have so many. The table takes off it. But ICANN has not been this kind of combination before. I have so many. I say, okay, let us go there. More than that. Any other issue before I proceed?
Sir, if you are on this your calculation, you should just take it kind of slow because some of us are not just like grabbing it. I am not grabbing it, not even some of us. I am not really grabbing it. So, but you're just too fast in your calculation and all of that. So
I'm
it
not too
gets me
fast.
confused.
I'm not too fast at all. Do you say why I'm not too fast? I'm saying the same thing repeatedly. This is what we did on Tuesday. If you have gone through what you have done on Tuesday, then the assimilation will be easier. Why do I create this time? Do you think it's convenient for me? I look at where we are going. Life is talking small, say, no. Even this earnings per share, you see what we are going to cover. We only have 1 day in a week. Please multiply it. Especially for the CR. We have not done foreign subsidiary, those things. Do I leave you to go to the exam without doing that? No extra cover is paid for this. I don't know the way approach you want me to take. This is the second question on right issue. Unless you want me to take another question on right issue again. If I'm saying the same thing repeatedly, then I should be fast about it. Any other question? Any other question? Let's take another question on right issue. Faith PSC. Faith PSC. Faith PSC. Faith PSC. Faith PSC.
That is question 2, right? That is question 2.
Yes, question 2, Faith PSC. Before Juju. Faith PSC. Okay. For the Faith PSC, almost the same approach. He said we should calculate the earnings per shares. Calculate earnings per share for 2000. If you go to the requirements, calculate the EPS for Faith PSC for the period 31st December 2004, 2005, and 2006. That's what he has said. 2004, 2005, 2006. Good. So what is my own duty in exam? It's very simple. I'll read through the question and see what needs to be done. I'm trying to send out into the platform. Okay, done now. I'm forward there. Good. For Faith PSC, he has given me the profit for the year. I can't hear you. What are you saying? For Faith PSC, he has given me the profit. One, we have for the profit 35. So okay, he asked me to calculate earnings per share of 31st December 20S4, which has given me to be 3.5 million. I need the weighted to divide with it. As per for 31st December 20S5. What is the profit itself for it to divide with? Then earnings per share of 31st December 20S6, which is 55. Good. Now, I'll go and drop my table because he has right issue. And when it is right issue, you must have a what? A bonus factor. I will say dates. Details. Numbers of shares. Total shares. Total shares. A minute. Total shares. Bonus factor. Factor. Then works. This is it. I'll now go to the question. The question says, on 1st January 2005, the number of shares in issue was 12 million. 1st January 2005, 1st January 20S5, opening balance 12 million. Total will be 12 million. Definitely, I can calculate 2004. The closing balance of 2005, the opening balance of 2005 will be the closing. So this will give me 12 million times 100. This is what you close with. Then, what happened next? The company announced the right issue in the following condition. 1, right. One new share for every 4 shares currently held. The right price is 12 naira. The last day to exercise the right, 1st of April. 1st of April 20S1. Right issue. So I'll go. The last day to exercise the right. Yeah, so the 1st of April, that's what I'll pick. Now, condition for the right. For the right issue. One for 4. So number of shares for the right. For the right issue. 1/4 times 12 million, which will give me 3 million. I'll take the 3 million. We have the 3 million right issue. 3 million plus 12 million will give 15 million. Then I need to calculate bonus factor. What is bonus factor? Equals to market price per shares all over theoretical SI price. What is the market price per shares? Said 15 naira last day. The market values of 8 PS immediately price issue on 1st April was 15 naira. So I need the theoretical SI price. How do I get my theoretical SI price? Then say 1 for 4, 4 at a market price, which is 15. Then 1 below the market price. The exercise price of 12. So this will give me 12. While this will give me 5. 4 times 15. 4 times 15.
60.
60. We have 60. 60 plus 12 will give me 72. So the market price per shares at the theoretical SI price now equals to 72.
40 kobo.
1440 kobo. So I'll go to the question now. 14.4. Don't forget, it must be given to existing shareholder. So I'll now say 15 over 14.4. Then we have the time factor. On 1st of January to 1st of April, that will give us 3 months. 3 over 12. Then from 1st of April to the year end, what is the year in December? That will give us 9 months.
9 months.
I will now multiply that from total shares of 12 million. times 15 divided by 14.4 times 3 divided by 12.
3,125,125.
3,125,000. Then this will give us what? 15 times 9 over 12.
11,250.
11,250. So addition of the two,
14,375.
14,375. 14,375 100. So this one will be divided by 14,375 times 100. Why? This will be divided by what? 5 million. The closing balance. That's all. That is all.
Is it 5 million, 15 million, sir?
15 million. Thank you.
15 million.
15 million. 15 million. That's the end. I cannot get my earnings per share. 3.5 divided by 12 million and 4.8 divided by 14. What does it give us?
The first one is 29.
29 cover.
33.
33 cover.
37.
Huh?
37.
That is.
That's your. That is that. Let's go to combined question now. Before we go to combined question, any question for us? Any question? Before we go to the combined.
Sorry, sir. Please,
Yes.
how did we get 15 all over 14.4? Sorry, sir.
It is the calculation of bonus factor. Bonus factor is the market price divided by the theoretical expense. They've given you the market price in the question to be 15 naira. Then the theoretical expense price. What is the condition for the right issue? 1 for 4. 4 is at market price. 4 times 15 will give us 60. And 1 at 12 naira will give us 12 naira. 60 plus 12 will give us 72. That's why we have it here. Based on the condition stipulated in this question. Then 4 plus 1 will give us 5. 72 divided by 5. That's what is giving us 14.4. That is the theoretical extra price. So 14.4. Yeah. 15 divided by 14.4. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, the theoretical extra price, you said it will be given to existing. I didn't get it that place.
No, it's the bonus factor that will be given to existing shareholder. Not
Okay,
the
sir.
theoretical.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I got my theoretical, I will divide by the market price. This is the bonus factor that will be in the question. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? In the absence of no other question, let's go to combine, where we have the minutes. Bonus right issue in a question. What do we do in that regard? Where we have bonus and right is the same approach, the same way. The only difference is that we draw a table that will accommodate the two. For example, now, if I have bonus issue on the right, I will draw a table for bonus issue. I will also draw a table for right issue, which is the bonus factor. That's all. We can see out more than that in case there is a share split, stock dividend in co. But ICANN has not gone to that level. But before we close EPS, I will show you one. So what do I do? It's very simple. Let's take question of phantom PSC. Phantom PSC. Let's take question of phantom. Let's take question of phantom PSC. Phantom PSC. Have you seen it?
What number, sir?
Question 1 under combined.
Question 1 under combined.
Page 3.
Phantom PSC. What is the requirement of the question? Does it have? See. Required. What was the earnings per share figure for 31st December 2001? And the restated EPS for year ended 31st December 2000. Good. If you read the question, let's say the question first. Go. I'll come back. Phantom PSC had initial 5 million ordinary shares on 1st January 2001, opening balance. On 31st of January 2001, the company made the right issue of 144 at 1.75 kobo. The cum right price, another name for market price, 2 naira per share. On 30th of June 2001, the company made an issue at a full market price of 125,000 shares. Good. Then finally, on 30th of November 2001, the company made a bonus, made 1 for 10 bonus issue. Probably for the year was 2 million. So he has both.
Check.
I will not worry.
It's
He
not
has
active.
both. Please mute
Not
yourself.
yet.
Mute yourself.
I mean, class.
He has both the right issue and bonus issue. So the requirement say earnings per share of 2001.
Hello,
Then
sir.
say I should. Yes.
I'm sorry, please. Sorry for taking us back. Please, I have a question as regard the one we just finished. I'm sorry, sir.
No problem. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, sir. So the question is, from the question, the time factor. So they said the last day to exercise the right was on 1st of April, 20x5. So literally it means it's from January to April. That's 3 months. So the time factor, I'm assuming it should be like 3/12. But yeah, what we saw, we were using 9/12.
Are you sure? Back closer, please. 9/12. Let me see. It's not. You did not get the time factor very well. You know, the first one we go. Trying to look. Let me share my screen. This is it.
Okay.
From 1st of January to 1st of April. 3
That's 3
months.
months. Exactly.
You go for the first one. For the first one. And the second one will now be from 1st of April to year end, which is December, 9/12.
Okay. 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 What
I
actually
think,
was the confusion now
yeah.
is because they said the last day to exercise the right was on 1st of April. So like the right for the right whatever, right? What do you call it? The right was ending on the 1st of April. So we have like 3 months ahead. That's 3 months to share what they have to do. So the remaining months is for the other shares.
So get the first bank this time around now.
From January to April is the 3 months. Say the last day after April, you are not doing anything again. What is the time interval within them? So will you count after April? When I said the last day to pay for this exam is November, will you pay in December?
No. Okay.
Then Abdul, even the people that have 12 million shares, they are the people also gaining the rights. So I think you're looking at the exercise date for the rights to adjust. But the people existing also have the rights. Those people, these 12 million people have the rights. That is why it's 9/12.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'll go to the table now. I'll draw my table. I'll say date, details, numbers of shares. I mean, I'm not using to this table. Maybe this is not the way you learn it. Numbers of shares, total shares, bonus issue, bonus factor.
But did you tell them that they will have to leave in less than 1 hour by 4?
Time factor.
No other person should use start to swim again for today.
Mute.
Time factor. I'll go to the question now. Question say, on 1st January 2001, 1st January 20S1, details, opening, balance, number of shares 5 million. Total will be 5 million. When I say on 31st of January, 31st of January 20S1, they made the right issue. I'll go and do the condition for the right issue. I was okay for the right issue. Condition for the right issue. One for 4. So numbers of shares for the right issue. 1/4 times the 5 million. Everybody, 1/4 times 5 million.
1,250,000.
1,250,000. I'll go there. 1,250,000. 1,250,000. This will give me 6,250,000. That's it. Then he said, I'll go and calculate bonus factor. Bonus factor. What is the bonus factor? Is the market price per shares all over theoretical.
Territory price. Okay.
Bonus factor. Market price per share all over theoretical extra price. Now, what is the market price given in the question?
That's
Let's see.
2 naira.
It's 2 naira, which is the coin price, inclusive of dividend. All over theoretical. I will calculate that based on the condition. I can use company level or individual level. And that's the theoretical extra price now.
Individual.
So for easy sake, 1 for 4, 4 at a market price of 2 naira. Then 1 below the market price, 1.75.
175.
1.75. 9.75. 5. We'll say 9.75. 9.75. 9.75 divided by 5.
1.95.
1.95.
Have 1.95. 1.95 divided by 2. 2 divided by 1.95. Market price is in naira. Theoretical is in naira. It will see cancel off. So you have a gross factor there. Because naira will cancel naira. So I will now go to my table. It must be given 2 over 1.95 must be given to existing shareholder. Bonus factor. 2 over. That's all. I am done. I will go again. The company made a issue at the full market price on 30th of June. 30th of June. 20th. The company made a issue at the full market price. Fresh 125. 125 plus 6,250.
6375.
6,375. Is that or joy? Next, now say finally, on 30th November 2001, finally, on 30th November 2001, so 30th November 2001, the company made 1 for 10 bonus issue. Bonus issued. 1 for 10. We'll go to the quote. For the bonus issue. Condition, bonus issue. Condition. 114. Number of shares now. 1/10 times. What is the total we have?
6375.
63. 637. So this one will give me 637,500. So I will add 637,500 to get the total. 637,500. 637,500 plus 637,500 plus
70,12,500.
the bonus factor now. Don't forget 1 for 10. I have 10. You are giving me 1. The value I would have before 11/10. It must be given to who? The 15 shareholder. Bonus issue 11/10. 11/10. 11/10. That's all. I can now multiply. Get my weighted now.
The time factor.
Oh, we have not done time factor. That's
We
true.
have not.
The time factor. From 1st of January to 31st of January, we have 1. From 31st of January to 30th of June, how many months?
5.
5 months.
5 months. From 30th of June to 30th of November, July, August, September.
October, November. 5.
5 months.
4 months.
It's 5. July, August, September, October, and November. Then November to the year end, December.
1 month.
As it's, I will now multiply from total. I'll multiply now. I will multiply. Total shares times 11/10 times 2 over 1.95. That's 1/12.
470,085.
270.
470,085.
470. Next.
2864583.
583.
Divided by 10. Oh, divided by 12 times 11
2921
2921.
875
921.
292
875
187 292
701 to 500 divided by 12.
584375.
The 2921, can we cross-check that? I'm not getting 2921.
It's 2921375.
Let me check it again.
It's correct.
The last one. If it is correct, the last one.
584.
Okay, confirmed. Yeah.
What is it?
584375.
Add it. Add it.
Six 40918.
6
840
9
918.
Please call it for me when I get to, or now calculate. They've given me 2 million profit for the year. Now say 2 million divided by 648.
648 no, sorry.
6840918.
6840918.
68.
6840918.
Six eight.
6840918.
Minus 100. This will give me the earnings per share.
29 cover.
You see, I should restate. What is the earnings per share of the previous year, which is 2,000? Did they give me earnings per share of 2,000? Yes. The question says 46.4 times reversal of the bonus element 10 over 11 times 1.95 over 2. That's all. I'll multiply by 100. I will reverse 1.95 divided by 2. I will reverse everything.
$44.
What does it give us?
$44.
Oh yeah, let's entertain question. Any question? Before we increase it. Thank God, you used to listen to BBTs more like. So I can give you BBTs.
Sorry, sir. The answer is 41 kobo. 41.
Yes.
I don't say
Yes,
44.
it's 41.
41 or 44?
41.
It's
41 kobo.
41 kobo.
Final answer?
41
Yes,
kobo.
41.
Confirmed.
Do you need to consult a friend? A friend. 41 kobo. That is all.
Hello, sir.
After this class, you people you send that
Hello,
out.
sir.
You people you send
Hello,
that
sir.
out. Yes, I'm with you. Ask your question.
Please, I need you to explain the comb for me. I didn't get what.
CUM is another name for market price. When I say
Thank you,
CUM
sir.
price, inclusive of dividend. Come, it means
Okay.
increase of the venue. It's another name for market price.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? That other that is asking me that if we have bonus right together, what do we do? Are you clear now? Are you okay, or we should take another question on this?
Just take another one, sir.
Alpha Limited. You want to finish your money. So I say this Sunday election is okay. Yes,
Yes, so
huh?
I said yes, so
Sunday election is okay. So should we shift it to Sunday? Or should we just have Tuesday and Sunday?
Yes. It'll be good.
yes.
Tuesday and Sunday.
When Tom PSC is gone, let me send it to your platform so that you can go through it. We are going to increase the complexity of the question, but the rest assured is the same principles. It's the same principles. Okay, Alpha Limited. What does Alpha say we should do? We go to question 2 on the combine. Alpha Limited. Alpha Limited question says, required. Calculate the time weighted average numbers of shares for the basic earnings per share denominator. Note that adjustment will be required for the time, the bonus issue, and the bonus element of the right issue. He said, note that adjustment will be required for the time. You don't need to tell us that. It's normative. The bonus element of the bonus issue and the bonus element, definitely, because not everybody will collect bonus issue or right issue. If bonus is done before you will not collect. That's what he's saying. And it happens everywhere. So he says calculation weighted alpha. So the same way, my dates. After the dates, I have details. Numbers of shares. Total shares. We have the bonus issue. Bonus factor. Time factor. And what you say I should calculate, the weighted. You know, say I should calculate basic. I will now say on 1st of January, what happened? Opening balance. What does he have? 1 million. Total will be 1 million. Next, 31st of March. 500,000 shares of Ichikobo each issued at the full market price, fresh issue. 500. This will give me 1.5. Next, 30th of April. What happened? Bonus issue.
Bonus issue.
What is the condition for the bonus? 1 for 2. 1 for 2.
1 for 2.
That means you are giving me 1, making 3.
That's
Sorry. Just one. Okay. Bonus issue, 1 for 2. Condition, 1 for 2. I have 2. You are giving me 1, making 3. Divide by what I have. Number of shares for the bonus. Oh, let this come. 1/2 times 1.5.
750,000.
750.
750. 750 plus 1.5. That will give me 2,250,000. Bonus issue, existing 3/2. 3/2. That's all. So far. 31st of August, what happened again? 31st of
New issue.
August. So, 31st of August. 1 million shares to cover each at the full market price, fresh issue. 31st August, fresh issue. 1 million. 1 million plus this will give me 3,250. 31st of October. What happened?
Right issue of 1 for 3.
1st of October. The right issue. One for 3. 1 for 3. Right issue. I'm going to do my right issue. Right issue. What is the condition for the right issue? Condition is 1 for 3. So I need bonus factor, which is the market price per share all over theoretical exercise price. What is the market price per shares? 5.6.
5.6.
Divided by theoretical exercise price. Don't forget the condition. 3 at a market price. You say 3 at market price. 5.6. The one you are giving me
1, yes.
below the market price.
40 color.
This one will give me 2.4. 3 times 5.6. 3 times 5.6.
16.8.
16.8 plus 2.4.
19.2.
19.2. Then 4. 19.2. Theoretical exercise price. 19.2 divided by 4.
4.8.
4.8. So 5.6 divided by 5.0 by 4.8. It must be given to who? But the numbers of shares for the right issue. The numbers of shares for the right. 1/3 times. What do we have in total? 3 to
3 to 15.
250. 1/3 times 350.
1083,333.
333.
1/3 333.
333.
That's all. 1/3 333. What is it? 1/3 plus 3,250.
4333,333.
How do you know? How do you know I used to take 3? So that's the end. I will now go to the time factor. Okay, we have not given the bonus factor. So which is 5.6 over 5.6 over 4.8. 5.6 over 4.8. Existing shareholder. 5.6 over 4.8. 5.6. That's all. These are the existing. It's only 2 people that collect bonus and rights. I will now go to the time factor. What is the time factor now? Let's look at the dates. 1st of January to 31st of March, 3.
That's 3 months.
3 over 12. 31st of March to 30th of April, 1 month in between. 1 month in between.
May, June, July, August.
30th of April to 31st of August. May,
4
June,
months.
August. 4 months. Is it 4 months? May.
It's 5 months. April, May, June,
April is
July.
not inclusive.
4 months.
It's
4
4
months.
months.
4 months. 4 months.
September, October, September.
Then for 31st of August
September.
to
October. 2
31st
months.
of October. September, October.
2 months.
Then from 31st October to year end, November, December. I will now look, does it complete 12? 3 plus 1, 4, plus 4, 8, 10, 12 years. I will now multiply from total 1 million times 3 over 12 times 5.6 divided by 4 times. Start multiplying. If you go.
137,500.
Check the first one is what?
437,500.
437,500. Next. Next.
What's happening?
Nothing happen. Check your calculator.
One four five 833.
What do you say the second one? Hello? Second one? Hello?
Ah, lost.
The
What is the
second
second
one is
one?
18750.
1454833.
I'm using different figure. 145. Which one will I be?
218750. 218750.
218.
218750.
Okay. Next. Next.
$875,000.
It's 75,000. Like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next.
631944.
944.
631.
944.
The last one.
722222.
722.
222.
222.
I will now add everything together. And this is take it. That's how I did. The last one is 72222. But let me take it to 50% so that you can see. We are add
See.
to give us figure.
You know, see, 5 months.
2,885,000.
416.
Wait. You call
I
it
cannot
one
make
one.
mistake now. Good.
2885.
416.
2885. 2885.
416.
416. That is the weighted the question wants us to calculate.
Yes.
It said calculate the weighted average numbers of shares for the basic earnings per share denominator. Note that adjustment will be required for the time bonus, the bonus issue, and the bonus element of the right issue, which we have done. Any other issue?
No.
Any other issue? Now, let's go to a question that will give us financial statements, especially those in the final level, maybe FR2. They will not give you like this. They will give you the financial statement which you are going to deal with it. It's the same thing. Don't let any question harass you. Instead, you have to ask the question, are you mad or
Are you
something?
mad or something?
Yes. You have to ask the question. Is this question mad or something? Is I come mad or something? Because it will be so simple for you. But if the question is not asking you, are you really mad or something? Then it's your own problem. You have not done your job very well. But we always learn from our mistake and move on. But when you now say you fail, you don't want to write the icon again, I'll just laugh at you. Say, okay. If you go to Shabab PSC, or let's take Siasia, the next question after Alpha, which is Siasia. Siasia. Anytime they give me, let me give you the summary. Anytime they give you financial statements, what will be the number one thing to look out for? You must get the opening balance of the shares at the beginning of the year. Opening balance. What are you going to look into? Go to equities. In the equities, you will see share capital. In the equities, you're only interested in the share capital. This is what you need. This is what you need. That is only different with what we have been doing when they give you financial statements. I'll just take my equity check, the opening balance of the shares. It's not you give me closing balance, or you give me opening balance or closing balance of last year. Let's read the question. Let's go through the question to go and get it. The requirement says, outline how IAS 33 requires earnings per share figure to be determined. I will show you now. For the purpose of calculating earnings per share, using the information provided, calculate the basic EPS when the for 31st March 2019 and the comparative figure. The comparative figure is what? The restated. So they call it comparative, adjusted, restated, or the corresponding, the same thing. You must give me the previous or information that will enable me to calculate any special the previous year. Good. Which the question has stated as 1.6 crore. So, 31st of March 2019. This is the year they say we calculate. 31st of March will have started 1st April 2018. Do you agree? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
I'll go to the question. I need opening balance on this date. On this day. Opening balance on this day. 1st April. Or you give me the closing balance of 31st March 2018. One of these two. This is the closing balance for last year. Which will be the opening? One of these days. I need shares on that day. Go to the question. Me, I have seen it here. I don't know whether you have seen it there. Other information, equity dividend pay.
12 million.
No, equity share capital as at 1st April 2018. Can you see that?
12 million.
It's not 12 million.
125 million.
It's 125 million.
Oh, okay.
125 million naira. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
That is what I need. If I can get that, it becomes the same thing as what we have been doing. The only difference with what we have been doing, they will give us financials. And in the financial, I'll go and pick my shares at the beginning. Every other thing is the same thing. So, the requirements, Siasia. I will now say earnings per share of 31st March 2019 and the restated EPS of 31st March 2018. I'll go and do my table. I have dates. I'll say dates. Details. Numbers of shares. Total shares. After the total share, we have bonus issue, bonus factor, then time factor, weighted average. This is it for me. Price of April 2018. Don't forget, is in what value? I'll convert by saying total numbers of shares because the values of shares all over nominal value. The values of shares is 125 divided by the nominal value of 1 naira to give me 125 million. This is it. So opening balance 125. What happened? The changes to the shares is an additional information. This is only difference. The remaining thing is an additional information. I'll just go to additional information. Okay. During the year 31st March 2019, the following transaction took place to the issue share capital of Siasia. These are what happened during the year. To be additional information. First, 10 million equity shares in conjunction with acquisition of another business. These were issued at the full market price and date of issue 1st July 2018. Nothing concerned me with in conjunction. No. Issue at the full market price. Okay, good. At what date? 1st of July. I'll put 1st of July 2018. Fresh issue. 10 million. 10 million plus 125. 135. Next. 20 million ordinary shares were issued for cash to a 60 shareholder. To a 60 shareholder now. Two things were issued to a 60 shareholder. Is either we issue bonus or rights. Those are the two things, no doubt. Is either it is bonus or right. How do I know what I'm talking? Bonus is free of charge. But you are saying for cash, that is right issue.
As a price. Is right.
So I'll collect something. For bonus, we don't pay. Just as I know, after this class, my students will give me bonus data. Am I speaking your mind?
Yeah, correct, sir.
All right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After the
Yes,
exams,
sir.
once the results are
Which
out,
one is after the
release it.
exam? Which one is after the exam? To get that after the exam. I don't hear you. That is it. I'll now calculate, okay, my bonus, my right issue. I need what? Market price per share. Which day did they make the right issue? The 20 million, the 1st of October 2018. I'll put the date. 1st October 2018. Right issued. That is it. 20 million. 20 million plus 135 will give me 155. That's all. Next thing I will do is very simple. I'll now go to the question. The issue price is 1 naira, which represents a discount of 30% on the traded price of immediately before the issue. Okay. I need my bonus. I need my bonus factor calculator. Let's do it here. Say bonus factor, which is the market price per shares all over theoretical SR price. What is the market price per shares? Give me the equation. What is the market price per share? Give me the equation.
Plus. Discount. They didn't give it straight. They said if 14 naira is a discount of 30% on the traded price. So we have to work it.
What is the market price per share?
I said they said we have to work it.
18 naira 2 kobo.
Yeah, work it now. Which I say you have to work it. Work it now.
18 naira 20 kobo.
$18.2, is that correct?
No,
do you agree with
20
him?
naira.
Would have another figure.
20 naira.
10 naira.
20 naira.
Is that correct? We have two figures now. 18.2, 20 naira.
It should be 18.2.
They said the issue price of the right is 14 naira, and it represents a discount of 30% on the
20
traded
naira.
price. It's 20 naira.
It's 20 naira. It's 18.2. We don't know. Do you want to believe?
20 naira.
Now, the issue price is 14 naira. That is the right price. 20 naira is correct. That is the right price.
The right is 14.
Which represents 70%. That means you are giving me 30% discount. How do I get the 20 naira gross up? I only pay at 70%, which is equals to 14. You have given me 30%. 70% equals to 14. If I now divide 14 divided by 0.7, that will give me 20, which is the price, market price per shares. Because you have told me that 20 naira, 14 naira, pay 14 naira. Don't forget that 14 naira you are paying, I'm giving you 30% off. I'm only paying at 70. I'll gross it up. This will give me 20 naira. What is the condition for the right issue? What is the condition for the right issue? There was no condition because they've given me the right already.
So we shouldn't calculate the ratio 20 million to 125 million shares.
No, I don't understand.
Which one you don't understand?
From the right price.
How we get 20 naira?
Yes, sir.
Good. If you read the question very well, the question says the right price is how much?
Issue price was at 14 naira per share.
Is the question? Read the question. 14 naira, which represents a discount of how many?
30%.
100% minus 30.
70.
That means I'm paying that 14 naira is 70 naira. The 70%.
Okay.
If you do 30% of 20, it will give you 6. 30% of 20, it will give you 6. 20 minus 6 will give 14. That's what he's saying. That's okay, we'll pay 14 naira. That 14 naira is at a discount of 30%. It's at a discount of 30%. You ask yourself, if it's giving me at a discount of 30%, then how much is the value of it go before you give me discount of 30%? That's what we are saying. And the question is clear. I'll gross it up. 70%, 14 divided by 70% to give me 100%. That's all, to give me 20. The question did not do what? The question did not give me condition. You only said they made the right issue of 20 million. So what will you do? What am I going to do? I'm asking you. What are we going to do? What are we
I
going to
think it will be 20 divided by 135. I don't know.
do? And this is 20 divided by 135 times what? Or what do we do? Oh yeah, we are dividing. We are following your instruction. As you are saying it.
Look, it might look odd, but we can use 20 million to 125 as the ratio of
Eh?
rights to existing to calculate the bonus factor.
What do you say?
I'm saying they didn't give us condition, but they gave us the rights, 20 million. Then we know the existing number
we
of
know that
shares.
when we use condition, we get the numbers of shares, which is going to supply
Yeah.
to us already.
What I'm asking is, can't we use this right issue, 20 million to existing to calculate that bonus factor? Because we know the existing NPS. We can calculate the theoretical X rights price based on that ratio.
This is another ratio. I
Yeah,
would say
20 million.
you should learn at company level, at individual level, theoretical S right price. I cannot do at individual level again. You do not give me condition. But I can do at a company level. Go to what we did, the first one we did today. Before the right issue, we have 135 at 20 naira. You are not giving us 20 at 14 naira. That's all. Doesn't take time. There's no need for me to be going and getting the condition. Look at the table.
It's 125. It's 135. Sorry, 135.
135 is before you have to give us 20.
It's 135. Sorry.
135 is before you give us 20. Are you not seeing it? 135 is before you give us 20. I will say 135 at 20. And 135 at 20 naira. And 20 at 14 naira. That's all. Are you getting what I'm saying? So let's go and get the calculation done now. You will see give you the total of 155 at the end. That is at company level. 135 times 20.
27.
This one will give us what?
280.
Two 27 plus 28.
2980.
That's all.
19.23.
$19.23. I'll just go to the question. It must be given to who?
Existing shareholders.
Bonus factor 20 over 19.23. 20 over 19.23. That's all. This is where existing.
Sorry, sir. I just want to ask that for our TERP, why are we using 20 at 14?
Because that's what it's giving me. It's giving the company 20. 20. The question says 20 million shares. We are issued to
Okay.
existing shareholder. Eh? What do you say?
I understand it now. Thank you, sir.
I'll go to the next one. What does it say?
Excuse me, sir, please, can I ask this question?
You can, my sister, you can.
Please, have we now solved, because we are solving the right issue. Is it a bonus factor, a bonus issue?
We have said that before. In the right issue, there is a bonus factor. In the right issue, there is a bonus factor. That is the bonus we are talking about.
Okay,
If I
thank you,
say,
sir.
buy 4 shirts, I'll give you one. That one is not totally free. There's element of cost in that one, and there's element of free amounts.
Someone confused. The last one we did, we called it bonus issue. Now we are not calling this right issue. Yeah, bonus factor. So I'm somewhat confused.
You said the first one I did.
Yes, the one we did last. The
What
right
do I call it?
issue, we called it bonus issue. The one when we're solving for the right issue, we called it bonus issue. But here, now we're not solving for the right issue, we cannot call it bonus factor. So I'm somewhat confused.
No. You don't need to be confused.
Okay.
When do we use bonus factor? When there's a right issue in a question. We would have a column called bonus factor. Do you get that?
Okay.
Then when I have bonus issue in a question, I will still call it bonus issue. If a question does not have bonus issue, why would I say bonus factor? The table are very, very clear. It's as clear as water.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I will read again. On 1st March 2019, What happened on 1st of March 2019? You repurchase. 1st March 2019. Repurchase. 5 million shares. That is all. So when we repurchase, you have 150. You have 150. Yes, any question? Next step, finally. Also, on 31st March 2019, the year end. What happened on 31st March 2019?
Bonus issue.
A bonus issue again. Was complete using 3 shares for issuing 3 new shares for every equity shares in issue at that date. Can you see that? Who can give me the condition now?
1 for 3.
They play. They play. They play. Just they play.
A 3 for 1. 3 for 1.
They play. This is the one I don't pray to give to students. They always interpret it and say 1 for 3. It is 3 for 1. No. Read the questions. You can say, for everyone, I will give you 3. Said, the bonus issue was completed. We are now issuing 3 shares for every equity shares. For everyone you have, we are going to give you 3. It is 3 for 1. No. If you go and do it as 1 for 3, sir, come back next diet, which will not be your portion. But if you say issue 1 share for every 3, and 1 for 3. Now, 1 for 3 to get the numbers of shares now for the bonus, you must count down. The bonus issued is 3/1 times what do we have?
150.
150.
150. 150. That will give me how much? Is it not 450?
450.
It is the 450 that will be here. $450 plus 150, 600.
Okay.
So now get the bonus issue now. I will now say, 3 for 1. I have 1. You are giving me 3. 4. Divided by what I have. It must be given to who? Existing shareholder. Existing shareholder. Bonus issue will now be 4/1. 4/1. 4/1. 4/1. 4/1. That's all. I will now go to the time factor. To complete the time factor, from 1st of April 2018 to 1st of July 2018,
Three months.
three over 12. First one.
Three over 12.
From 1st of July to 1st of October, July, August, September, 3 over 12. Then from 1st October to 1st of March,
5 months.
5 months.
5.
5 over 12.
4 months.
October
Five.
to December is 3 months. October, November, December. January, February.
Okay.
March will not inclusive. From 1st of March to 31st of March.
1 month.
1.
From 31st of March to 31st of March, not applicable. It happens in the 31st of last day of the year end. In round is 0, not applicable. It is the last day of the year end to make the bonuses. That is all. I will now multiply everything now. Give me the figure to get the weightage. Give me the figure to get the weightage.
It's too tiny.
I should increase it.
Yes, sir.
But you cannot cover everything, no. Let's be doing this one after the other.
The first one is 130.
130. Confirm the figure.
Confirmed.
Confirm the figure. Confirm the figure.
130 is confirmed.
Confirm the confirmer. Yes.
Confirmed.
Okay. Oh.
The second one is 140.
Why is it that only you are doing one doing figure? 140. Fine. 140. Next.
Hello, sir. That first one is 129 points. So I don't know unless he rounded it up.
139 point what? So I will know whether it's to that 129 or what.
I got
130.
130. I got 130, 005,
I got
200. So the
132.
130 is correct as per my calculator.
Okay. I hope you are not using what they call this calculator.
Papa.
The third one is 258.
Papa.
Third one is 258.
Yes, sir.
Next, 150 times 4 times 1 divided by 12.
50.
50. That is all. I will now add everything together. One 30 plus 140 plus 258 plus
578.
578.
578.
578. That's all. Next, look at what we call that space. Profit before interest and tax. If they give me, how do we calculate earnings attributed equity holder? It depends on what is given in the question. If the question give me profit before interest and tax, it means I will remove interest, finance cost. Then this will now give me profit before tax. Then I will remove tax charge. Will now give me profit for the year or profit after tax or profit for the period, profit after tax. Then I will less my previous dividend. I will also less profits attributed to NCI. Then I will also less profits from discontinued operation. This is what we use to remove, learn all these things. But it depends on where it is given to me. Anything I not get is the earnings or profit attributed to equity holder. What are those things we use to remove? One, after I got profit for the year, previous dividend, don't remove ordinary dividend here. If you remove ordinary dividend, or Sanio. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ask me a question. So let's go to the question. I'll go and ask, where did they give me for the question? The question giving us profits. Profit for the year. Profit for the year. 240. Profit for the year. That means he has removed tax. He has removed finance costs. I'll now look at the question. Is there any profit in the POL, not SFP, POL figure? In case they give you a statement of financial position, POL. I'll now look at the figure. Is there any previous dividend? Yes, of 12 million. What do I do? I will ask the question, is there any profit attributed to NCI? Let's check. Yes.
None.
Non-controlling interest share of profit. Profit attributed to NCI.
Okay, there's a
Which is
dividend.
32.
Okay.
No profit from discontinued operation. This is what will now go for my basic earnings per share. This is what will now go to my basic earnings per share. 240 minus 12 minus 32.
196.
196. I will now go to, okay, 196. What is the weighted 578? So I'm done. 196. 196 divided by 578 times 100 will give me my basic earnings per share. For the diluted, does it give me earnings per share of the previous year? Yes, in the requirements. It gave me that, which is 1.6. So I will say, okay, 1.6 times reversal 19.23 over 20 times 1 over 4. That's all. Will give me the restated EPS. Any issue? Ask me question. Talk to me, oh mama. Ask me question.
EPS is 34 34 kobo.
34 kobo.
Go back to how we calculated the earnings that we used. If they had given us the dividends paid to non-controlling interest, we would have adjusted for it.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not
In
dividend,
addition
it's the profit. It's the profit, not dividend. Dividend in pay is different from profit. It is the profit attributed, not dividend. Though. Two things, dividend and profit.
Because I'm looking at other information where they said non-paid to non-controlling interest. So that is why I brought it up. Under other information.
Okay, let's go and look that information you are talking about.
Yes, other information.
Other information.
After preference, dividend paid to preference shareholders.
Equity share capital. 6% preference there. What is other information?
No, up. Preference dividend paid out of equity.
That's the preference shares now. They are not paid to
up.
they are paid to.
After other information, you have equity dividends paid, preference
That is the
dividends
ordinary
paid out of
dividend
equity.
pay. That is the ordinary dividend pay.
They said non-paid to non-controlling interests, as if they were supposed to pay them.
No, they are not supposed to pay them.
Okay.
No, dividend pay can be true now. We pay to parent, we pay to NCI. It's referring to the one they pay to the parents, not the NCI. So just note that these are things you have to remove. Dividend will not be paid to anybody. Dividend does not come here, ordinary dividend. The only dividend I will remove here is the dividend paid to preference dividend. Preference shareholder will collect. You will assume that they will first of all settle before any other person. Then profit attributed to NCI so that it will let us with the parent own only. Any question? Me, I don't know whether the class is recorded or not too, but I hope so. No, I think it is recorded. Next, another question. So, next question, Shabab. I will not solve that. I want you to go through if you have any challenges so that we can move to when it is interwoven and the rest. But let's go to that Shabab. They've given me financial statement too. Let's analyze it so that the solution is on the platform, so that when you are reading it, you will understand why this is done. What is the name of this concept? Sasia. So yeah, let's go to Shabab. You will see that in that question of Shabab, you will notice that they've given me the financial statement. They also give me profits before tax. I'll first of all go to the requirement. The requirement says discuss the significance of earnings per share. All those theory, I will release it this week. Theory for tax and theory for earnings per share. Applying the requirement of IAS 33 earnings per share. Information above. Calculate the earnings per share. Calculate the basic EPS and the 31st July 2016. For 31st July 2016, that means it must have ended. Must have opened if account is ending 31st July 2016. We will have started in 1st August 2015. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the 12 months. I need opening balance on this day when they give me financial statement. Or you give me the closing balance. Or you give me the closing balance of 31st July 2015. Because I know no difference between these two dates. Where will I get it? I'll go to the equities. Then the shares. The number one aspect of the equities. If you go to this one now, the share capital, they've given us for 2015. They also give us to 2016. 2015 when? 31st July 2015. And he has given me 31st July 2016, the closing balance to be. What is the 460? 200. Which am I going to pick? This is my opening balance. After everything, you must come to this. This is my opening balance. This is my opening balance. But don't forget, it is in million. I will now convert it. And this time around, the nominal value of the share is 50 kobo. I will now say total numbers of shares equals the values of shares all over nominal value, which is the 200 divided by 0.5. 400. 400 is the shares I will now pick as my opening balance. So you go through it, check it very well. So if you have any issue, call me or contact me or chat me up. Any issue? Any issue? The answer of that?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. The 2015 200 million is the opening balance for 2016. Is that what you're saying?
I did not get that question, ma'am. Repeat.
The 2015 200 million, is it the opening balance for
That is the opening balance now. Should we are calculating for 2016.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That is the opening balance, 200. But I'll convert because it's the opening
Okay.
balance. The closing balance of last year will be the opening balance of 2016.
Okay, sir.
I will compare. What is it? The solution is on the platform. Next. Now, sometimes the earnings per share can interwoven. If you go to a question like that I sent to the platform, Benin Boys, No Time, Jerry Can. All this, they interwoven with each other. They mingle. You will not know. You just start telling you, say, recalculate earnings per share. This one even has for restated. It has for restated of some years. Okay, good. What do I do in this regard? It's very simple. I will open my eyes, my mind to the question. I will know what period each transaction take place. For example, no time. No time PSC. No time PSC. No time PSC. What they say we should calculate? They say, one, the basic EPS of 30th September 2018. You want me to calculate 30th September 2018. You also want me to calculate basic EPS of 30th September 2019. So that of 2018 will have started in when? 1st October 2017 to make it 12 months. This one will be 1st October 2018. Good. I will now go to the question. Look at the question. We're now saying ordinary share capital as of 1st October 2017. This is where you give me the opening balance. You give me the opening balance here. 1st October 2017. Was 50 million made up of $5 per shares. No time issue 500,000 ordinary share at a full market price on 1st January 2018. Where does it fall into out of the two? 1st January 2018, the 4 year. Fresh is done here. Then I say, no time also made a right issue of 2 new ordinary shares for every 10. On which day does it make that? On 1st April 2019. Look at it. 1st April 2019. Right issue. It fall into the what? 2nd year. You open your eyes. If you go and do everything in the 1st year, everything is zero. Everything is zero. They will not tell you. Look at the one I sent to you, Benin Boys. You will just be seeing those things. They will be saying it. You must know which year they fall into. If you don't know the year they fall into, it's a problem. So that if you know the year they fall into, it's as good as done.
So, sir, in this scenario, are we to prepare separate table for each of the years? Or
I love that question. I love that question. Am I prepared separate table? No. Let me show you one again. Look at this one now. Binibo is a public sector company. You will not telling me all the year. Am I going to prepare a separate table as I said? No. Now the same table, one table to make my job faster. It's the same way. This one has diluted too, but we have not gotten to dilution. So we'll keep this question or to dilution, but you can be looking at it because we'll not be asking you those questions. Explain the meaning of the term potential ordinary share. Explain that when we get to diluted. Using the information in note 2 and calculate basic EPS for the year and the restated, including the comparative figure. So for the 2004, 2005, I need to restate. Using information, no issue at all. But what will I do in this kind of question? Very simple. I'll just open a single table and throw everything inside it. What do I throw everything? By closing certain year. By closing certain year. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I'm mistaking. So let's take no time. Then with that, we can call it, we'll see on Tuesday, where we'll go to diluted earnings per shares to finish everything. Okay. I will now open my table. I need no time. He asked me to calculate earnings per share. He asked me to calculate earnings per shares of 31st September 2018. He also asked me to calculate earnings per share of 31st September 2019.
I put it for me now. Go and put it back.
So, what do I need? The same the dates. After my dates, I need my details. I've not had Dabi voice, and I've not heard Joy voice. Number of shares, are they not part of this class? I've not even seen a VIS2. Total shares. I will now say, oh, bonus factor, because we only have right issue. We do not have bonus issue. I will say time factor. Then the wax. Okay. 99. So I'll go to the question. The question says, information one, ordinary share capital as of 1st October 2017 was 15 million. I need to convert 50 million naira. I'll convert it by saying, okay, total numbers of shares equals to all over nominal value, We have 15 million naira divided by the nominal value, which is the 5. 3 million. As our what date is that? 1st October 2017, opening balance
The start of the year.
for the 2018. 1st October 2017. But the account that closed in 30th September 2018, opening balance 3 million. 3 million. That's all. The question says, no time issue some 500 naira shares as a full market price on 1st January 2018. 1st January 2018. Fresh issue. 3.5. That is the only thing that happened in that year. That issue was not done in 2018. It was in 2019. So I'll go to the time factor to close that year. So I will dash bonus factor. You do not have issue here. I will now go to the question and say, okay, from 1st October to 1st of January, how many months? 1st October to 1st of January, how many months?
3 months.
1st October to 1st of January, October, November, December, 3 months.
3 months.
This will give me 3/12. Then this one will give me from 1st of January to 30th September, 1/12. I will now multiply 3 million times 3/12.
$750.
This will now give me 750. Then 9/12 times 3.5.
2,625,000.
625. This is the weighted. For that year, now go to okay. What does it give us?
3,375,000.
3,375,000. I will now go to the next year. 1st October. October 2018. What is the opening balance now? Opening balance. Where is the opening balance?
0.5.
Huh?
0.5. 3.5.
If you go and pick 3.375 or subtract 3.5, this is it. This is it. Total will be 3.5. I will now say we did, which day do we do the right issue? No time limit, also made the right
1st of
issue.
April 2019.
So in 1st of April 2019, 1st April 2019, right issue.
October, November, December, January, February, March.
The condition for the right issue is it 2 for 10.
January, February, March. 6 months.
So I will do the 2 for 10. 2 for 10. Two over 10 times 2 over 10 times 3.5.
700,000.
How is it? I will now calculate the bonus factor. Which is the market price per shares all over theoretical extra price. What is the market price per share they give me in the question?
5 naira.
Which question are you reading? Where do you see 5 naira?
Okay.
48.
48.
Yeah, 48.
The condition is 2 for 10. So the theoretical extra price 10 at 48. 2 you are giving me at below 48, which is how much? 42.5.
42.5.
Ló bá tán. What 80?
85.
Price is 5 divided by 12.
47.08.
So this will now give me 700. 700 plus 3.5.
4.2.
The bonus issue must be given to existing shareholder. If you go and bring your own existing shareholder to this year, or straight, you have closed that year. If you go and start from that year, say Mr. Kasi say he's a existing shareholder. Yeah, I not send you because I talk with that too. 48 over 47.08. I will now calculate the time factor. From 1st October to 1st of April, 6 months. 6 over 12. From 1st of April to 30th of December, 6. I will now multiply from total 3.5 million times 48 divided by 47.08 and 6
There is
over.
a note 4. Okay, there is a note 4. What do we do to the non-redeemable preference share?
We said prevents dividend. Prevents dividend. Prevents dividend. Where do we supply that? Profit before interest and tax. They give us.
No, note 4. Note 4. Note 4.
Yes, note 4 is not for ordinary shareholders. It's not ordinary shareholders, it's preference shares.
Note 4 said non-redeemable preference shares. Preference shares will collect dividend. This table is for ordinary shareholder. Where do I do to the preference shares? Before shareholder can collect anything, I'll go and remove the money from the profit after tax or which profit they give me. Is the remnant, I will not share to shareholder. So anywhere you see preference shares, what do they collect? Preference dividend. Should I repeat myself again? Or is this clear?
It's clear.
Oh yeah. Figure me press something because you are used to press something already.
Mm-hmm. 1,784,197.
4 million.
784.
4 million.
1.
1 million. 784.
197. 197.
Compound with this one we have 2-1. Compound the figure. She used to give wrong figure.
Wow.
It's correct.
Compound the confirmer.
The confirmer is correct.
I will now add then this one will give me 3. 7 plus 1, 8. 8.
It's confirmed.
3884197.
3884197.
That is all. But the question wants to play with me. You now give me profit before interest and tax to determine what I'm going to be subtracting from it for the 2 years. You now give me profit before interest and tax. It does not give me profit for the year. It was profit before interest and tax. No, that's okay, no problem. For which year? It said 2018, 2019. Let's remove 30 here to make it easier. You now give me profit before interest and tax. What is the profit before interest and tax giving? You say
8830.
this is 8830. This one will give me 7012. The first thing, interest will go, finance cost. How much the finance cost? You have 1045. You have 987. Next, this will not give me profit before tax. I have removed the interest. What is now the profit before tax?
$7785.
Which one?
2019.
7785. This
6025.
6025. Then I'll now say the tax charge. Which is 1718. Then 1264. This is not giving profit for the year of profit after tax.
$6067.
Which one?
2019.
6067. Yanko.
4761.
4761. Then reference dividend, which is 60. And if I multiply 6% of this, it give me reference dividend. I will less. How much is dividend here? 60. Yes. Next. Is there any profit attributed to non-controlling interest? Yes.
Yes.
Profit to NCR. 180.
180.
Is there any profit for discontinued operation? No. They now put ordinary dividend paid. Nothing concerns you. If you go and pick ordinary dividend paid,
That's straight.
the reason because we must get earnings per share before we can think of paying dividend. That is the reason.
5827.
5827.
Yes.
Janko.
4541.
4541.
4541.
That's all. I will now go and put 4541 divided by the average, weighted average.
3375.
3375. 3375. Times 100.
Why is it multiplying it by 100?
Because it's always in cover. Earnings per share is always in cover.
Okay.
135
You
kobo.
to ask me again, who has to multiply by cover? It now become foundation question. I will say IAS 33. Who created IAS 33? That is the kind of question I used to see in foundation. Those people, they can keep person. Me, run away. I'm still going to run for FR7. It's only CR. I think CR understanding is far, far better.
135 kobo.
135 come. Then the 5827. 5827 divided by 388 4197 388 41 388 41
150 kobo.
That's all. That is all.